Students, in this lecture we are going to study construction and principle of potentiometer in chapter current electricity. Potentiometer is a versatile instrument and it is used for accurate measurement of potential difference between any 2 points in an electric circuit or EMF of a cell in an electric circuit. अभी इसकी कंस्ट्रक्शन कैसी है? तो पोटेंशियोमीटर इज बेसिकली अ वेरी लॉन्ग यूनिफॉर्म वायर विच इज फिक्स्ड ऑन अ वुडन बोर्ड between 2 points and its length may vary from 4 meter to 12 meter, but usually we use potentiometer wire of length 4 meter and which is arranged in 4 segments for practical purpose. Like this, see here, between point A and B potentiometer wire is fixed on a wooden board. Now meter scale is calibrated on that wooden board by which we can measure length of wire between any 2 points. So in practical lab जो हम लोग potentiometer use करते हैं उसमें length between A to B is 400 centimeter. Now to understand principle of potentiometer, consider a simple circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, potentiometer wire is fixed between points A and B. Let capital L be length of wire between points A and B. And it is connected in series with cell of EMF E. Let R be internal resistance of this cell and key K in series. Let capital R be the resistance of wire AB. Now when key K is closed, let I be the current sent by this cell through the circuit. To get potential difference between points A and B, apply Ohm's law. Ohm's law क्या है? V is equal to IR. Therefore potential difference between points A and B is equal to current into resistance of that part of wire. So we get VAB is equal to IR. Let this be equation 1. Now apply Ohm's law for the complete circuit and we get E is equal to I in bracket R plus R. See, this formula we have seen in previous standard in chapter current electricity. When we apply Ohm's law for the complete circuit, here EMF of the cell is equal to product of current and resistance. Current passing through the circuit is I and resistance of this circuit is capital R, where capital R is resistance of wire plus small r, where small r is internal resistance of cell. So we get formula E is equal to I in bracket R plus R. Rearrange this equation for I and we get I is equal to E upon R plus small r. Let this be equation 2. Now substitute equation 2 in equation 1 and we get potential difference between points A, B is equal to E upon R plus R into R. Now to get potential difference per unit length, divide this equation by length L. Now in this equation, ratio VAB upon L is constant for same circuit. मतलब as long as we keep this EMF same, तो ये रेशियो क्या रहेगा? सेम रहेगा. And this constant ratio VAB upon L is called as potential gradient and it is denoted by K. So here one more physical quantity we get, potential gradient, and potential gradient is defined as potential difference between 2 points per unit length. We can write it in this way also. Now remember here, this K potential gradient is constant for given wire. If we change length of the wire, potential difference between those 2 points will also change, but this ratio will remain same. To understand it, consider one more point along length AB. सर्किट में देखते हैं. Consider point C at a distance L from point A. That is, length between AC is small l. Now potential difference between these 2 points VAC can be written as K into L. So we can write VAC is directly proportional to L as K is constant for the given wire. And this is nothing but the principle of potentiometer. And what is that statement? The potential difference between any 2 points of the wire is directly proportional to the length of wire between those 2 points. क्योंकि अभी हम लोगों ने देखा कि अगर हम लोग पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस लेते हैं बिटवीन पॉइंट्स ए सी, तो इट इज़ इक्वल टू के इंटू एल, वेयर एल इज लेंथ ऑफ द वायर बिटवीन पॉइंट ए सी. That is, if we increase length, the potential difference between those 2 points will increase. And this is principle of potentiometer. Here we also understand meaning of potential gradient. Potential gradient is potential difference per unit length of the wire. We can write different formula for potential gradient. K is equal to V by L. It is also equal to IR upon L because V is equal to IR. Substituting value of I, we get this equation also. It is equal to E upon R plus R into R upon L. It is also equal to I sigma, where sigma is resistance per unit length of the wire. SI unit of potential gradient is volt per meter. And remember, potential gradient decides sensitivity of potentiometer. क्योंकि जैसे ही हम लोग लेंथ इंक्रीज करेंगे, सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ पोटेंशियोमीटर इंक्रीजेस. पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप पर यूनिट लेंथ क्या हो जाएगा? डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. सो रिमेंबर लास्ट पॉइंट. Now you have understood very well principle of potentiometer.